Hello viewers, welcome back to Pretty Omonomose TV. Thanks for stopping by. Please, if today is your first time of watching my video, you are highly welcome. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first person to be notified. You can as well share this video. Please, if you love this video, leave your comments on the comment section. I will reply you, and if you have any questions, you can also leave your comments. Thank you. Today I'm going to teach us how to make smoothie. Okay, I have ice fruits here. These are ice fruits. They are from the fridge. Okay, so this one is mixed, is with raspberries, blueberries, blackberries. Okay, and this one is with pawpaw, watermelon, mango, and pineapple. Okay, so I have one banana and a glass cup of milk. This is natural yogurt, and I have my blender here. So I need to get started. I need to put my banana first. You can use fresh fruits. You can also use ice fruits. Okay, it doesn't really matter. Both of them are okay. So I'm doing this smoothie for me and my son. Okay, I'm doing this smoothie for me and my son. This smoothie is so healthy and it's yummy. You can never go wrong with it. So let me add my milk. Yep. Let me add my yogurt. So guys, I've added my yogurt. I need to cover it and blend it together. Okay, it's very good to eat, to prepare things like this for yourself and for your children. Okay, you know, doing all this now, mixing food together and as a smoothie is very easy because you cannot eat all these fruits I have here in one day. Okay, so by doing it this way, make it more easier and you have a lot of fruits in one day. Okay, so for those of you who does not love eating fruits because some of the fruits bites or does not taste good, you can also do it this way. Okay, so let me blend it. 1 minute. So guys, I've blended my fruits. Okay, my smoothie, I've blended it. One is for me and one for my son. It's very good to eat fruits. It's very healthy for us, and at this time of coronavirus, it's good to eat healthy, to eat fruits, vegetables, and drink a lot of water. And you know, it's very healthy and a lot of vitamin and all that. So guys, I will recommend you to always do this kind of fruits, those kind of smoothie for you and your family. Okay, it's very good. Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate you guys for always supporting my YouTube. Please stay safe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.